So today I received the brand new PS5 DualSense controllers. I picked them up in the black and also the cosmic red colorway. Surprisingly, the red one is actually more expensive than the black one. I paid 94.99 Canadian dollars for the cosmic red controller, and the midnight black controller cost me 89.99 Canadian dollars, so just keep that in mind. They both come in similar boxes just like the white one, so all you see is a different color on the boxes for the controller. But yeah, now let's jump inside the box. The unboxing experience was super basic. When I was unboxing it, even the little hanger thing fell off. You know, typical PlayStation. It was also really hard to get out the first box, I don't know why, but inside the box is another box, of course. And then you just simply use this little pull tab or excerpt they have right here, and boom, here's the PlayStation 5 midnight black DualSense controller. We also had a few manuals, like instruction manual, user manuals, teaching us how to use the controller, the do's and don'ts and all of that. Not necessary, because you guys know we're pros over here, but yeah. First impressions, this thing looked amazing. I'm a big fan of this matte black finish, and I feel like if this is your first pickup and you're getting a new controller, you won't be disappointed with the midnight black. And man, don't you just love the new press and clicks you get from a brand new controller? My white one that I have right now already has stick drift, so it's so satisfying knowing that I'm gonna play games and I'm not gonna have that stick drift from these new controllers. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the cosmic red. I heard a lot of talks about the cosmic red controller not actually looking red, so I was really excited to see if it actually looked red or not. But let's be honest, it's called cosmic red for a reason, so I think PlayStation knew what they were doing with this one. Oh wow, this thing actually does not look red. So everyone was right, the cosmic red is kind of off. I'm not sure why PlayStation went for this kind of color, to be honest, but of course, you know, the buttons feel very nice. I can't wait to score some goals in FIFA with this one. By the way, if you guys want to, you can go ahead and add me on PSN. It's Chevy_Gaza, and trust me, you don't want to catch me on the FIFA, bro. I'm literally the best. The back of the controller also looks really nice, and let's bring it in for a quick comparison. Which one are you guys feeling? Let me know down below in the comments. For me personally, I'm rocking with the midnight black more. Just for reference, this is what an actual red product looks like. That's my unboxing knife, that's what the red looks like. And to take it even further, this is how the red looks like on my shoes, mixed with the cosmic red on the controller, so you can see the contrast is definitely off. I'm not sure if cosmic red is the actual color, so let me just Google that real quick. Okay, so after doing some research on Google, I found out that cosmic red is actually a true red with a heavy silver metallic flake, and this color has high gloss. So I'm not sure what PlayStation was doing here, but this cosmic red that they're talking actually looks burgundy, so keep that in mind. Also, if you're wondering, there's no cables or anything inside the box. It's literally just the user manual, the controller, a cup of plastic, and that's it. But if you really wanted accessories for your controllers, thank you to Nexico for sponsoring today's video, and now I'm going to show you their charging dock, and it's really nice, so let's unbox this thing. So inside the box, we get quite a few accessories as well. So we get some hair triggers or adaptive triggers that you could use on the back. So if you want a longer arm reach, we also have some rubbers for the analogs. And this is good if you want to make sure that your analog doesn't rub out in time, but it might feel uncomfortable for some people. So you can just try them, and if you don't like it, you just take it off. We also have a power adapter, which is USB Type-C, and it's super simple to use. Finally, we have the charging dock right here, and it looks really nice and blends in well with the PS5 itself. So you just plug in the charging cable, USB Type-C, then you just slot your PS5 controllers on top of it, and boom, you're good to go. Tell me that doesn't look clean. Charging dock also has some nice RGB lighting going around it, which gives it an even better look. So I'm sure if it's full it might turn green, and while it's charging it stays orange. But overall, this is a very nice product, and thank you Nexigo for sponsoring today's video. So yeah, that's basically it for today's video. It's the same PlayStation 5 DualSense controller that we all love. We have the black one, which to me, if I was to, like, I didn't have the white one, this would be the one I would go for. The red one also looks good, but as I said before, it's kind of misleading. The cosmic red doesn't look as red as it's supposed to. I feel like if they actually made this thing look red IRL, it would look so good and probably would have been a lot of people's favorites. I also think PlayStation needs to add more color options, but for me, the white is still my favorite. I might be biased here because white is my color of choice. This is like my favorite color or shade or whatever you guys might call it. And also, if you're wondering, around the back you still have that print of the PS5 logos. So if you look closely here, I'm not sure if you guys seen it, you can see all the PlayStation logos in there, the X, the O's, and it adds a nice texture and grip to the PS5 DualSense controller. Overall, holding this thing in your hand feels really nice and smooth and texturized. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated in terms of stick drift over time or discoloration or anything like that if it gets oily. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on future content, and drop a like on this video for the YouTube algorithm. But before you go, let me know what's your favorite color from this lineup, and as always guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.